Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. Today in this video, we are going to see about our live automation system. Full explanation in this video. So don't skip this video till the end. Then only you can understand how our automation system runs in live market, as well as we have taken a full trade entry in live market today with Algosys platform. I will be showing that trade entries also, as well as I will be explaining you about the two strategies we are running in automation. Now you just see, now I have opened trading view with Bank Nifty index. So now I have included our Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame strategy. So now you can see the strategy tester for this strategy. So this strategy, we are getting the strategy performance backtest from the date of, now you can see the dates in list of trade entries. So now you can see the date, it is showing the backtest from 2018 12 to 26. This is the date from till date. The date is 14/3/2022. Till now we are getting the list of trade backtest as well as the overview for our strategy. So now if you want to know about our strategy list of trades, we have already published this every details in our Telegram channel. You can also join our Telegram channel by searching JJP Trading Academy. Otherwise, you can click on the description link of our Telegram channel. Then only you can know daily updates of our system, as well as whatever we do in live market we'll be posting in our Telegram channel first of all. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel till now, click on the Telegram channel link in our description and you can join. As well as you can see right now, this strategy is providing you the backtest from 2018 till now. That is 2018 December 26 it is providing till now. So almost we are getting the backtest for. Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. Today in this video, we are going to see about our live automation system. Full explanation in this video. So don't skip this video till the end. Then only you can understand how our automation system runs in live market, as well as we have taken a full trade entry in live market today with Algosys platform. I will be showing that trade entries also, as well as I will be explaining you about the two strategies we are running in automation and in our automation system. So don't skip this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So right now you just see, now I have opened trading view with Bank Nifty index. So now I have included our Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame strategy. So now you can see the strategy tester for this strategy. So this strategy, we are getting the strategy performance backtest from the date of, now you can see the dates in list of trade entries. So now you can see the date, it is showing the backtest from 2018 12 to 26. This is the date from till date. The date is 14/3/2022. Till now we are getting the list of trade backtest as well as the overview for our strategy. So now if you want to know about our strategy list of trades, we have already published this every details in our Telegram channel. You can also join our Telegram channel by searching JJP Trading Academy. Otherwise, you can click on the description link of our Telegram channel. Then only you can know daily updates of our system, as well as whatever we do in live market we'll be posting in our Telegram channel first of all. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel till now, click on the Telegram channel link in our description and you can join. As well as you can see right now, this strategy is providing you the backtest from 2018 till now. That is 2018 December 26 it is providing till now. So almost we are getting the backtest for almost we are getting the backtest for 3 years. So this is the backtest result. So our strategy has been achieved till now 45,657 points in Bank Nifty direct index for 15 minutes time frame. Almost 2,597 trade entries has been taken, and now our strategy is running with the profit ratio of 43.86% with the max drawdown of 2,107 points. So this is the strategy for 15 minutes time frame. We are also providing you the another strategy with 3 minutes time frame. So the both strategy I will be explaining today. So this strategy is providing you the performance summary. You can see it right here, every performance summary of trading view. So if you are an investor and you need to make the investment perfectly in stock market, then you can easily join our automation system, which will be directly automating your trade entries without any emotion. This strategies we are going to do automation with Algosys platform and connecting our Demat live, so that whatever the trade entries taken in our TradingView account, it will be directly trade taken in our Demat without any emotion. Stop loss, target, trailing stop loss, everything we have fixed in this strategy itself. Whatever the analysis we do in the market and we see whatever the strategy confirmation till now, every high probable conditions we have fixed through this strategy. Finally we have got the best high accuracy trade entries with automation. So this strategy will be helpful for every traders who are not interested in trading, and if you are not going to analyze the market till the end, you can easily make investment for our strategy. And once after, if you see per month, you will be getting a good profit and loss ratio, as well as you will be in a good profits with our strategy. So try to understand. Today I am going to explaining you the full automation system, how we are going to do. The first main thing, I am going to create an alert in TradingView. So once we create an alert in TradingView, it will be directed and the alerts will be triggered in TradingView, and finally it will be gone through the Algosys platform. So now I have gone through the Algosys platform. This is the platform I have linked our automation system. So we have linked the automation system with Algosys platform. The Algosys platform right now providing Fires Demat, Alice Blue, as well as Angel Brokering. These are the supported brokers we can directly automate with Algosys platform. And first of all, you need to log in with Algosys platform for this. For logging, they are providing you a basic packages only. So for this, they are charging a free trial. For a basic, you can go for a free trial for 7 days. So once after the 7 days free trial, you need to you will be charged for 1500 per month. So this is the procedure we are going to do. After this, we will be connecting our Demat into our automation system. So for this, we have got the permission with Algosys platform. That is, once no for right now, for fixing the alert with TradingView, we need the pro version or premium version of TradingView. Then only we can fix the alerts for, and we will be transferring the alerts from TradingView to Algosys. So instead of this, we have connected Algosys platform directly, and now whatever the signals come from our TradingView account, it will be directed to Algosys platform. So for that, we will be mapping the strategy for whatever the traders and getting access for our strategy, they will be directly connecting with the Algosys platform. So the only thing you need to get access with Algosys platform and our basic charges for automation. So once after doing this, we will be mapping the Algosys strategy directly to you, so that every trade entries, whatever the trade entries taken in our automation strategy, you need to first of all see our strategy. We are going to provide you the 15 minutes time frame and 3 minutes time frame strategy. So whatever the strategies is perfect for you as an intraday trader, this strategy is providing you the full backtest for only intraday. So we have designed this strategy only according to intraday square off and intraday trade entry taken. So first of all, analyze our strategy. We have provided overview of our strategy, performance summary of our strategy, as well as the list of trades taken till now. So according to the TradingView backtest only, we are going to apply this strategy. So now you can see, now I have logged in with, I am going to log in with the Algosys platform, so that you can see today trade entries, how it has been taken. So now I have accepted the terms and conditions of Algosys, and now I have submitted. And right now you can see, now I have run for paper trading option in Algosys platform. So today I have run with option first of all. So for this, I have mapped the option mapping today morning itself. So this every procedure you no need to do. Once after getting access, we will be doing every procedures to fix the automation. And after this, once you get access in the day itself, you will be fixed for automation. The only thing, you need to connect with Algosys platform with your Demats, Fires, Alice Blue, or otherwise Angel Brokering. Then only you can do automation with Algosys platform. And finally you can see now I have given today trade entry with ATM strike price. The rules we will be following for strike price choosing is, we will be doing automation with Monday, Tuesday as well as Friday. We will be taking ATM strike price. For Wednesday we will be taking 100 points ITM strike price, and Thursday we will be taking 200 points ITM strike price. Or otherwise, if you are willing, we will be choosing the strike price. That is not a problem. So now you can see the paper trading position today trade entries. So almost today trade entries, it has today we have taken with 2 lots. So once we are applying the strategy according to index signals, the index we need to at least maintain 2 lots in our demat, then only the trade will be perfectly according to our strategy. So our strategy is providing the backtest according to index. So if you are a future trader, you can do automation for future with 1 lot, that is okay. For automation with if you want the same result as it is in the index, then you need to go for 2 lots of Bank Nifty. So now you can see I have opened the 15 minutes time frame trade entries today. So this is the 15 minutes time frame I have automated with Algosys platform. So that today it has been taken 35,100 call option as well as 34,900 call option. So for 50 quantity it has been taken. So one trade has been executed with 619 to 693 it has been achieved. Almost 3,700 rupees profit in one trade. And another trade it has been taken 595 to 722. So almost totally we have achieved 10,085 rupees profit for 2 lots of Bank Nifty options. So this is according to our strategy, we have invested 2 lots. Because 2 lots, then only we can see the result as well as for index. So that we have invested today we have taken with 50 quantities. So this is the result of our strategy today with options. As well as I will be showing you, this is for 15 minutes time frame. So the 15 minutes time frame trade entries you can see. Today morning 10 o'clock candle it has been executed here in this point, and the square up has been happened 12:15, and again the buy entry has been taken once the condition again satisfied today 12:30. So again the square up until the 3:15 square up it has been taken the trade, and finally it has been reached this much points. So this is the 2 trades today it has been executed. Okay, so now I will be showing you with our strategy in 3 minutes time frame. So now I have included our 3 minutes time frame strategy. Today from morning our 3 minutes time frame strategy has not taken any entry. You can see from morning there is no entry today taken, but finally it has been executed another trade in 2:27. So you can see, if you have automated today for our 3 minutes time frame strategy, it has been taken entry at 2:27 and it has been squared up at 3:15. So once the condition satisfied, it has been taken, as well as the square up has been happened at this point. So it has been taken the entry here. For our 3 minutes time frame strategy, now you can see the result in. Now I have automated this 3 minutes time frame strategy in this account of Algosys. So now you can see the paper trade position. So the paper trade position now it has been taken 35,300 call at 50 quantity. 596 it has been taken the entry, and the sell at 608. So that today profit is 605 rupees. Okay, so this is the result for 3 minutes time frame today. And according to the 3 minutes time frame, now we are going to see the strategy backtest first of all. So our 3 minutes time frame strategy, the backtest is provided from TradingView platform is from the date of 2021/7/22 till today 14/3/2022. So right now you can see the backtest for 3 minutes time frame. The period will be varying for a lower time frame. So the lower time frame, the backtest period will be lower only, so that you can see the accuracy of our strategy from the TradingView full backtest. TradingView provided backtest. I am using the premium account right now, so that only we can see the full backtest for according to TradingView. So according to TradingView, the full backtest I have provided you. Here the overview it is showing 8,781 points it has been reached with 399 trade entries it has been taken with the 41.6% of profit ratio, and the drawdown ratio is 2000 390 points. So this is Bank Nifty index. So according to this we need to calculate for options as well as futures. So almost we are getting the backtest for 8 months for our 3 minutes time frame strategy. So this is the points we have achieved for the previous 8 months. So according to this only we are going to automate our strategy. Today example, today in our 15 minutes time frame strategy. So today you can see in the 15 minutes time frame strategy, almost 10 o'clock it has been taken until the 12:15 it has been trailed, as well as again the full trend of the market has been taken for 14th March 2022. So this is how the trades will be happening. Some days we will be facing a loss, as well as if you see for a per month with our strategy you will be in a good profit ratio. So this is why we are doing automation. So the emotionless trading will be taken with automation. So if you are a trader with facing more issues with your emotions in the live market, then you can easily start trading with our automation system. So now you can see the previous week performance of our Bank Nifty 3 minutes time frame strategy. So the date of 7 it has been taken 5 trade entries with 198 points it has been reached in Bank Nifty index. So according to this we can calculate for one lot of future, that is 4,950 rupees it has been reached the profit, as well as for two lots of option if you have taken, then our strategy has been reached 4,950 points, 950 rupees. As well as you can see for 8th date 5 trades, and the point it has been reached 500 points, and the next 9th it has been taken 162 points, and the 10th it has been taken 501 points, and the 11th it has been lost 333 points, and finally we have reached almost 1028 points in the previous week alone. So if you have invested at least 2 lots of option, the investment for one lot of option we need to make 20,000 at least, then only the strategy will be taking the perfect trade entries without any disturbance. So if you have invested 2 lots option with our strategy, your profit is 25,700. So easily we can make without any emotion. So this is the motive of our automation system. So you can also do automation with 3 minutes time frame or otherwise 15 minutes time frame strategy. So the 15 minutes time frame previous, now we are seeing the Bank Nifty index 15 minutes time frame strategy for the last week performance. So the 7th, so for the 7th date March 2022 it has been take 4 trade entries with 86 point lost, and finally in the 8th it has been taken 5 trade entries with 162 points, and in the 9th March 2022 it has been taken 451 points, and the 10th March 2051 it has taken 757 points. The one day itself it has been recovered every loss, as well as it has gone through 18,925 for 2 lots of options as well as 1 lot of future. So finally you can see for the previous week alone it has been reached almost 1206 points in Bank Nifty index. So according to this we can calculate for 2 lot of option, that is 30,150 it has been reached, and for 1 lot of future it has been reached 30,150. So if you are an investor, you can easily make investment in our strategy, which will be more easy for us, which will be more easy for you to start making your investment in our automation system. And once you done the investment, you need to see the result of our strategy. You should not change the positions. First of all, whatever the strategy we are going to run in live market, we need to we need to decide the strategy investment, and after that we need to make the lot size, and finally we need to see the full performance of that strategy after a month or after a weeks. Then only we can understand how the strategy is working. If you are seeing a daily basis, we could not analyze, and we could not see the strategy performance. And for this strategy we have provided every backtest in our TradingView platform. So we can make confidential investment with our strategy, because it is a full profitable strategy till now in TradingView platform. We have seen the full backtest in Bank Nifty index. So according to this only we are going to invest. So now you can see the charges for our automation system. So you will be getting our two strategies, that is 15 minutes time frame strategy and 3 minutes time frame strategy. You will be getting with the package of 3,000 for 30 days access, So now you can WhatsApp us on 7200555670 to get access with our indicator. And if you have any other doubts with our strategies also, you can WhatsApp us and you can ask. We will be clearing your doubts fully about the automation. Thank you, traders.